Hello everybody, back on the 1958 Peerless 7602. I decided to do a little experiment on it. I thought, what if I could take a barbecue grill igniter and make this electronic ignition. So I've cobbled together some bits and pieces I have and hooked it up. And here's what we've got. Works great. I got the smallest igniter I could find, and I got one with the double electrode on it, just to make sure I had ample spark to light the burner. And it's working pretty darn well. So I'll put it all back together and see how it does then. Turn it off, and I'll put the cover back on it, and we'll come back here in a minute. A little while later, all back together. Wouldn't be able to tell anything is different about this particular heater. Turn the gas valve all the way on, and then adjust back down to the desired heat level. Perfect. So that makes life just a little bit easier, having that to self-ignite. So just a quick video on some upgrade on the 1958 Peerless 7602. Thank you for watching.